Unboxing time.
Oh, kadibo ite. Na.
Laptop or tablet compartment for your lipstick, skincare. Invisible zipper. Oh, you didn't see before. This one, and then side pockets. One for bottle and one for some keys. Next. Savannah. Nasty.
Oh. Huge ball.
They're not seeing it. Yeah. You need to get used to it. Straight on you. Oh. Let's put this aside. Cute with a flowy dress. Yeah. In a flower feel. With cute dress. Or a mini dress. Yeah. Cute. It's just one compartment, I think. Just one compartment with cheap closer.
Like the mountaineering equipment.
So cute.
Huh? Wow.
With the bag, with the hat. With the gear.
Next.
I wanted to try some new perfumes, and then we selected 3. Apple juice and Wonder Rose. Wonder Rose.
This is mandarin, orange blossom, jasmine, and vanilla.
You have to say the name of the perfume.
Oh, Zara Golden Decade. Ooh. Barely.
Soft girl era. Let's do the Winston. We bought all of this and some more gifts. Dun, dun, dun. Yes.
Makeup look. Da, 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 da.
So you explain, okay?
I think this is the hairbrush that blows air.
It has 3 attachments. This is the head, I think. Yeah.
This is the motor.
I think,
The
yes,
motor.
The
You
engine.
attach to it. You. Wait.
Girl, I already told you. Twist!
Ah. And it will blow here. And it will make your hair voluminous.
Voluminous!
Voluminous.
Please show.
Please.
Girl.
Ah, this is the blow dryer without the
Looks
hairbrush.
Premium, I know.
Ooh, yes. The color.
And the rod, this rod doesn't get hot. Actually, it's the hot air that's going to...
No.
See, all these things.
Let me attach it.
This iron, this one doesn't get hot. No, this will be difficult to use. But once you get the hang of it, you'll get used to it. This one I got from Some By Me, a Korean brand. Ooh, there's a small mirror here.
What?
The mirror. Look, it's pink.
Pink.
Like muted pink. This is the exact color I want.
Yellowish too.
Yeah.
Hello, Titi. And some stickers.
3D stickers. One's from Little Box. We have so many stuffs coming in from YesStyle.
But they are stuck somewhere.
Stuck somewhere. Butter yellow? Yeah. This is not yellow.
Not
but
exactly.
You're still wearing the bag? This is super long. I really
let me
like
show
it.
it to them.
See. Flowy.
And heavy.
Yeah. One's backless.
We bought two.
Two. Where did you keep yours?
You can't find it.
We bought two of this because we wanted to
Yeah.
match our dress on our birthday, but
Because you know, plants.
this is the back. Ooh la la. Party at the back.
Puja. Where is the bag?
さよなら。